Hi, this is Bonnie at Adentia Farms and Good Earth Spa, and I am making raisins today. So these are my grapes. If you have a grapevine or vineyard at your house, then you might want to know how to make raisins. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm making raisins. So take all your grapes off and put them on your dehydrator trays and just fill it up. I have 6 full trays of grapes and 1 almost full tray of grapes. So once you get all of your grapes off of the vine and onto your trays, you can pop the lid on, set it at the highest setting, which is 160 for this model. That's what I have. I'll put a link to where you can get this one. I really love this dehydrator. So you just turn it on, leave it on 160 for a few hours, and then after that you drop it down to 130 and just keep drying them until they're done. This is the yield on my raisins. These are regular sandwich bag size, and this one is not all the way full, but these two are. So this is how many raisins I got. You can take a look at what they look like. I'm not sure how well the video is going to show this. I did eat a few. I mean, I tried them, but this is pretty much how much I got. Let's see if I can show that to you. My raisins were different colors, or my grapes I mean, so my raisins are as well. And if you dehydrate raisins with seeds, you can eat the seeds. They're completely edible and good for you. They'll just be crunchy raisins, but these are seedless. So thanks for watching, and enjoy your raisin making skills that you just acquired here. So thanks, bye!